Welcome to another simple dat Capcut tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to create the urban jungle name edit videos you see on TikTok using Capcut. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button to become a part of the Simple Dat community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. So this is currently trending on TikTok, where users are creating name using the urban jungle font. So let me show you how to create this urban jungle name edit on Capcut. So to create the urban jungle name edit on your phone, you want to first open up Safari, go to pixel.com. Now here you want to go ahead and search for jungle picture. Now once you get it, you want to go ahead and select a landscape image. So for example, this one here. And you want to go ahead and download it. Next, on Safari, you want to go ahead and search for urban jungle font. And here you want to go ahead and click on the first link. So this is the font which you're looking for. You want to go ahead and find the download button. Now, once that's downloaded, you know, go to your downloads and make sure that file has been extracted. And now you have your extracted file, Urban Jungle. Next, you want to go ahead and open up Capcut. Capcut is a free video editor which is available on your App Store or your Google Play Store. You want to go ahead and select New Project. Tap on photo, select that photo, and then tap add. Now you want to tap on text at the bottom. And here you want to tap on add text. Here you want to go ahead and type in your name. Now tap on font. And then tap on add font, just here. Tap on plus. And now here you need to find the font which you've downloaded, Urban Jungle, and you're looking for the OTF file. Tap on open. And once you do this, you'll get your font changed to the Urban Jungle font. Tap on the tick. And now you've created your Urban Jungle edit. You want to go ahead and select the image and just extend it so it goes to about 10 seconds long. And make sure the font also follows the same. And now go ahead and export this file. Once that is exported, press done. Go back to your home screen, open up TikTok, and here you're looking for Urban Jungle template. In the search results, you're looking for all the videos that are doing the trend. So for example, this one here, and this one. Within those videos, you're looking for Capcut try this template, which is right here, just above the username. So go ahead and tap on it. This will show you the template which you'll be using. Go ahead and tap on use template in Capcut. This will open up Capcut and will show you the template again. Go ahead and tap on use template. Now you want to go ahead and select the video which you've created in Capcut. Tap on preview. Once you do this, this will then create you the video using the Urban Jungle font. Now once you're happy with that, go ahead and tap on add sound in TikTok. This will export the video and send it over to TikTok. The template will automatically add the trending sound to it. Now you can go ahead and add any effects, text, or any stickers, and then post this video to TikTok. So there you go. That is how to create the Urban Jungle name edit trend video on TikTok using Capcut. If this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.